Washoe County corruption. Public records request denial. Washoe County. Official oath. Mary M. Canderas. Okay, this is a request that I made. I did a Foia on 7/1/24. This is concerning Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association. Good morning, Mr. Wilson. We have received your request and wanted to get clarification on what exactly you're requesting regarding the sale of parcel 077-440-02. I called and left a message for you. So I responded to her. And then she sent me two attachments. Sale and proceeds. Hi, Mr. Wilson. Attached are the documents showing how and to whom the excess proceeds were distributed. If you have any questions, please let me know. So we got it. Linda Jacobs, Deputy Treasurer, Washoe County Treasurer. Okay, here's what I told him. Looking for the accounting on how and where the funds and excess funds were distributed, deposited, including any funds to the county. Thank you. That's how I responded to her. And it talks about how they received my request on this. Those are communications. So also I sent it to State Farm. See, this has to do with Wilcox Ranch. There's a criminal racketeering operation going on in there, and it involves Washoe County and a whole bunch of co-actors. So State Farm, the commissioners, I let all the commissioners know, all 5 of them. Here's all their emails. Okay. And there was a Foia in here. So what we got back, what this was a sale on a property, Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association, done by attorneys and the former officers of Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association, Robert and Natalie Nearing as President, Secretary, Treasurer, and Vice President Kathy Glather, a Washoe County employee for the GID. So this parcel here, I don't know if it was 80 acres, 077-440-02, Jarby Elizabeth. Apparently she died. So the property apparently sold on the courthouse steps. This was managed by Gail Agnes Kern, local attorney. And I think the property sold for $40,000, okay? And the county took their fees out of it. It was $40,000, but you can see, so what was left was $36,000. And the county took their taxes, and then Wilcox Ranch got their $500 payment that was owed to them. And then Gail Kern got several $1,000s for doing all the legal work. Okay, so it left $36,000. Okay, so it goes down here. But what happens is, so after all this is done, Wilcox Ranch HOA gets $3,279. Okay, and then this guy Robert Bennett appears to have been a commissioner for Washoe County. So this goes into a trustee account. I don't know if this guy's still there or not. Okay, but so this goes in a trust account for $33,607. That's in Washoe County because she died. Now we'll do another video because this thing's complex. There were some trustees and a bunch of attorneys that sued on this. And they made all these representations and quieted title about all this stuff. So Wilcox Ranch gets $3,200. In the end, Wilcox Ranch got around $500, and the rest of this money went to the legal fees to Gail Kern. Okay, so we knew about that, the $33,000, and I spoke at this in Mr. Belfort's hearing at the Board of Adjustments and told him, we want to know where this $33,000 is, okay? Because this is a racket. This is part of the Washoe County racketeering operation for profit and gain while leaning on our property rights. So down here, it sold What are they saying? This is penalty tax interest, 2,000. So they took their 2,000 out. Here's a report, $80. Advertising, $50. Recording fee, 41. Transfer tax, 166. Mail fee, 32. Process fee, 10. Transfer to general fund per NRS, 1,300. So the excess proceeds are this. The property sold for 40,500. Okay. And you can see they're doing, look at this. This is all for profit and gain by Washoe County. This particular run shows that they're 482,844.13. This is the kind of operation they're running out here, taking properties through attorneys, making representations, sending threat letters to Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association. Extortion. Okay, look at the money that this county's making. You wonder why your roads aren't done. Okay, these people are corrupt. Washoe County's corrupt. That's just one piece. And then so I started asking about where this 33,000's at. This right, let's see, where is it at here? What's left? Let me get it again. 36 is right here. So what was left is this 33,607.76. So now, so then I make another Foia to Linda Jacobs, who originally gave me that. Now you got to understand, this was in the beginning. We were doing this before, that we filed the $5 million bond against Washoe County. And then as soon as we did, they shut everything off. We're getting blocked from all the public information. And so I did another Foia, similar to the other ones that we've done. In regards to your public records request 25-447, the information are you seeking are for records or other documents concerning a claim made to excess proceeds. Those documents are confidential to NRS 361-610, Section 7, and may not be disclosed. What a bunch of bullshit. Okay? You guys, you're corrupt, and somebody's telling you to do this, Linda Jacobs. Somebody's telling you to conceal the public record, and you're taking money from the people. This is dishonest services, honest services fraud. Okay? This is a crock of shit. Using these bullshit codes, you're ripping the taxpayers off, and I'm going to expose it all. Linda Jacobs, somebody's telling you, Linda, somebody's telling you to conceal the record. Stand by.